Hi, thanks for joining me today. If you want to take advantage of any of the freebies or discounts that I found for you, click one of the links in the description. Thanks for the support. Now let's get started. Today is the day. We started at 305 pounds. Now we're at 248.9. All right, so today we're gonna do a crazy cheat day. Our goal is 10,000 calories, 1,000,000 carbs, 1,000,000 sugar, and then tomorrow we're gonna get right back on keto, try to jump back into ketosis. But I hope you enjoy our journey on our wonderful cheat day. Our first piece of deliciousness, Krispy Kreme donuts. My beautiful wife came in today and she said, "Thank you for doing this journey with me. I love you, enjoy." And we've been waiting 90 days for some deliciousness like this. First one, Krispy Kreme. It smells so delicious. Just threw the whole box in the microwave for like 20 seconds. You definitely don't get that taste in the way that it melts in your mouth with the almond donuts, the almond flour donuts. Baby, they are delicious. Hard work definitely does pay off. My goal is to finish this whole dozen today. Our 10,000 calorie cheat day and then get back on it. Almost forgot what real sugar tastes like. Definitely isn't anything like Krispy Kreme donuts. Well worth it. Beef jerky, you would think that would be keto, but it's got sugar and carbs. Some fruit snacks, oh yeah. Whole bunch of sugar. I don't even like candy anymore because I used to get a lot of cavities, but I definitely got to take advantage of some sugar, get all those cravings out of the way. And oatmeal cream cookie. Sugar never tasted so good. So this package has 24 grams of carbs, 15 sugars, and 100 calories. Oh yeah. Sweet and satisfying. So our Welch's Fruit Snacks has 23 grams of carbs, 12 grams of sugar, 90 calories. The thing that I missed was the chewiness. I've been making the Jell-O gummy bears. Sugar-free Jell-O gummy bears, definitely not the same. Now for some of my favorite tender jerky. Oh, smells so amazing. I love it because it's so tender, it's sweet, smoky. So this one has 7 carbs, 7 sugar. 7. It tastes so good I can't even speak. It's got 11 grams of protein and 1 gram of fat. Definitely not keto. So tomorrow, when we get back on keto, we'll have to say bye-bye to all this. We're so good today. I gotta tell you, after a few minutes, I definitely have a sugar rush. Sweating a little bit. My body's saying, what are you doing? You're on keto. But not today. I'm kind of hungry. Should I eat bacon or cheese? Or maybe a Hot Pocket? Yes. We haven't had one of these in 90 days. Let's see, is this keto approved? 34 carbs, 3 sugars? I don't think so. Hot Pocket. Delicious, gooey pizza with a carb-filled outside. I didn't know what I had been missing. So good. Keto cheat days are nice. When you lose 57 pounds, you definitely have to reward yourself. That's for sure. Oh, that's so delicious. Definitely beats Fathead Pizza, that's for sure. Okay, we're on to the next cheat day experience. I think that keto accepts pizza, right? Probably not, but what the heck? Let's eat that too. 28 carbs, 4 sugars.
Wow. I didn't realize how much stuff.
I think we're going to eat this whole thing today. Yes. I don't know. You think I should do it? It looks tasty. I have been waiting so long for some real pizza. The smell is amazing. The crunch of the crust. The actual pasta sauce or pizza sauce. Real marinara. The hard work was worth it. You should never live without pizza. You don't even know. This is the main thing that I've been craving while I've been on keto is pizza. Most especially the thin crust supreme with the sauce. I love it. And we have indulged in the keto fathead pizza. But there's nothing like the taste and the texture and the crunch of real pizza. Victory is so tasty. Last piece. The smell is unworldly. Now that that's done, it's time to go to the next Keto Cheat Day Challenge. Bubble sugar waffles? Why not? Had a successful cheat day today, had 718 carbs, 247 sugars, and I did not make the 10,000 calorie goal, but I did hit 6,078 calories. Boom! So now it's back to keto tomorrow. I'm going to show you how we're going to try to skyrocket back into ketosis, and we'll get started with a journey for some more. Ended up losing a total of 57 pounds in just 3 months. That's right, 1, 2, 3, 57 pounds. My wife also did a great job. We both hit our goal, and now we're just going to continue on and see if we can lose a couple more pounds, but we're getting pretty good at it. So. All right, here's our plan to jump back into keto or ketosis. We're going to take real ketones. They tell us to take 4. So we're going to take 4 ketones tonight. We're going to take a large tablespoon of coconut oil, and we're going to also have some senna tea to try to flush out all these carbs and sugars we ate today. In the morning, we will also have 4 more ketone capsules and another tablespoon of coconut oil. So hopefully we can rapidly get back there into ketosis. Thanks for joining us on our Keto Cheat Day. We hope you had as much fun as we did, and we're going to just tackle it, attack it, and conquer keto one day at a time. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.